Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your student discount on Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password or your other credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start placing your orders. Now, in order to add a student discount onto your account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and you will see Wallet. Go ahead and tap on Wallet, and now within the voucher section, tap on the Add Voucher Code option. You can now simply add your student discount voucher code within this box and then tap on the Continue button. Once you tap on Continue, your student discount voucher code will be added onto your account and you will get the allocated student discount. You may also find various other discounts within the promotions section. Once you enter your student discount promo code, just type in the promo code that is given to you for your student discount and your discount will be added onto your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a student discount within your Uber Eats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.